Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make money crypto. Calm only way. Open the crypto. Calm app and complete account verification, then fund it. Focus on verified staking and earning programs, not risky quick trades. Choose stablecoins for predictable yield and transfer funds into earning or staking sections. Monitor rewards and compound returns regularly, and adjust allocations based on clear fee and reward comparisons to protect gains and minimize losses. Start by exploring the Earn and Staking tabs to see available yields and lock durations. Prioritize stablecoin or blue-chip staking when yields are reasonable and fees are disclosed. Calculate net return after fees and consider compounding monthly to accelerate growth. Maintain a portion of funds liquid for opportunities or withdrawals and track reward distributions closely. Treat staking as a long-term yield strategy rather than a short-term gamble for steadier outcomes and less stress. Quick recommendation before we continue. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, I love the Oala water bottle for long crypto sessions because it keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders, which makes staying hydrated easy and fun. Check the description for the link and other deals, and remember to like and subscribe if this helped. Now let's get back to the video. Balance pursuit of yield with clear risk controls by diversifying across assets and terms. Keep an eye on platform announcements about fee or policy shifts that can affect returns instantly. Use lockup ladders to reduce timing risk and avoid chasing extremely high rates that usually carry hidden downsides. Maintain simple records of deposits, lock dates, and expected payouts so you can react quickly if conditions change and protect your principal from unexpected events.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.